Hey, Mint Fox here, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to switch to Mint Mobile. Seriously, you'll be saving big on wireless in no time. First, let's check the coverage in your area with our coverage checker. We run on the nation's largest 5G network, but it's always a good idea to double-check the coverage where you live and work. Next, if you want to bring your own phone to Mint, you can use our compatibility checker to see if it's compatible. Your phone has to be unlocked, so if you're unsure if it is, simply reach out to your current carrier and they can unlock it for you if need be. You can also bring over your current phone number. You'll just need to provide your account number, number transfer PIN, or PIN and billing zip code from your current carrier when you go to activate your plan later on. Oh, and just a heads up, don't cancel your current carrier until you've activated your new Mint plan. We don't want you to miss a moment of wireless. Alrighty, now here's the fun part. We know wireless isn't one size fits all, which is why we offer 5 gigabytes, 15 gigabytes, 20 gigabytes, or unlimited data. Not sure what to choose? Our quiz can help you figure out which plan makes the most sense. After you pick your plan, it's time to pick your SIM. If you have an eSIM-compatible phone, your eSIM will be delivered in minutes via email. Or you can pick a physical SIM card, which will take about 2 to 3 days to arrive. Once you have your SIM card, you're ready to activate. Download the Mint mobile app, and the app will walk you through the steps. This is where you'll also decide to transfer your current number or get a new one. And that's it. Once you finish activating, you've officially switched to Mint. Cue the confetti, the victory dance, the saving flex, okay, you get it.